You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this AI model or artificial intelligence. We're going to have to use some French pronunciation here, so you found the right channel for this. Let's go. The Anthropic's AI model in general is Claude. That's the French pronunciation. Claude. It's how we say it in French. In English, you can pronounce it as Claude. Claude. That's easy. Now, it's pronounced sonnet in French. Sonnet is a form of music. It's from music vocabulary, sonnet. So the T is silent in French. Claude Sonnet. Claude Sonnet. Now, if you cannot pronounce French or you don't want to pronounce it that way, English pronunciation that I suggest, Claude Sonnet. Claude Sonnet. It's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.